Welcome back, students. If you're watching this video, you are ready to assemble your final project for the semester, which is this tabletop mirror assembly shown here. I'm going to do a couple of videos that show you how to get it looking this great. So let me first start by closing all of this out. And I don't need to save mine. And the very first thing you're going to need to do is actually create the mirror that sits inside that mirror face. So you're going to go and create one more very simple new part. Make sure that your that your units are in IPS or inches when you're doing this. Everything was in inches before. And then let's create a sketch on this front plane, and it is just going to be a circle like this, and that circle is going to fit into our mirror. So its dimensions here, we're going to give it a diameter of 8.75. Let me just double check my units. Yep. And that's all there is to that. And then we're going to extrude it so that it's 1/4 of an inch or 0.25 inches deep. And then we want to change the material of it just to give it kind of a nice shiny appearance in here. So we're going to come in here and we're looking for glass. So if you search on it, it's probably the easiest way to find it. It's under other non-metals, and there it is, glass. We're going to apply that and close that out. And now you have a mirror. So you want to save this and call this the mirror itself, or mirror glass, to make sure that you have all your parts. And all of your parts will need to be saved with the names that they have, because later you'll see when you're putting the assembly together, you want to be able to hold them by name. So the next part of this video is to actually open up the other parts that you've already created as part of your final project. So you're going to go to File, Open, and you need to find your mirror face that you created. And this is what that should look like. And you need to open your mirror base. And that's what that should look like. It should have this U-shaped base. So now that we have all three things open, we can actually go ahead and create a new, not part this time, but actual assembly. So we're going to click on the assembly tool and click OK. And when that opens up, you should see on the left-hand side the components that you have open, and it asks you which of these components you want to insert. So you're going to click on each one. You may have to hold the Shift key down to get it to accept all three. Make sure they're all highlighted. And then click your green check. And you should see them start to place themselves. So notice my base is placed. Now I'm going to place my face. And I'm going to place my mirror. And when I do that, the one thing I need to check is that you can move these around now. See, I'm going to move them to mate them together. Here's my face. I'm going to end up moving those. And I'm going to actually put some mates in there that fix them into place. But you should look over on the left-hand side, and there should be an F next to your mirror base, because I can't actually move that piece. It's fixed in place. And since that's the main piece of my assembly, that's what I want fixed. If for whatever reason in yours you got a different thing, then you can just click on the face itself, right click on it, and click Fix, and it should change the fix, because only one of the parts can be fixed in that position. We're going to do one more thing in this video then. We're going to go ahead and save this as an assembly. So notice now, instead of it being a part, it shows up as an assembly, and we're going to save it as Tabletop Mirror. I'm going to actually override the one that I have here for me. And that is the first part of this. That's kind of the easy part. And then I'm going to show you how to do some mating that actually will put these all together into assembly in the next video.